Hi guys, this is Avi Federico, your real estate broker, and I'm excited to show you this brand new 4-bedroom ready for occupancy unit. For this unit, we have a total lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 197 square meters. Meron tayo ditong pocket garden, and this is provision for 2 carports. This is our porch, and upon entering, bubungad sa iyo yung ating spacious living area. Napakaluwag and napaka-aesthetic ng unit na to. Dito sa area na to, pwedeng dito yung iyong dining area since nandito yung ating sliding door to lanay. This is our kitchen area and meron itong granite countertop with mosaic backsplash. For our ground floor, meron tayo ditong maid's room na pwede mo rin naman siya as guest room. And then, meron itong sariling toilet and bath or shared powder room. Napaka-aesthetic ng unit na to and napakagaganda ng mga ginamit na fixtures. Para sa stairs natin is gumamit dito ng solid wood. Dito naman sa second floor, we have a total of 3 bedrooms and this is our master's bedroom. Para sa master's bedroom natin, meron tayo ditong vanity area. Meron tayong built-in cabinets and kasya dito kahit queen size bed. Meron tayo ditong master's toilet and bath na merong bathtub with shower and closure pa. Dito sa master's bedroom natin, nandito yung access ng ating balcony. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman ang laki ng balcony natin. And please take note na yung location ng property na to is very accessible lang since along Aguinaldo Highway lang siya. Napakaganda rin ng community ng subdivision na to since well-maintained ang village na to and yung location niya is along Aguinaldo Highway lang. Para sa common bedrooms natin, ito yung ating bedroom number 1. And meron itong shared toilet and bath para naman sa ating bedroom number 2 dito sa second floor. So as you can see, floor-to-ceiling tiles yung ginamit dito and meron itong glass shower enclosure. And diretso na tayo sa ating last bedroom. Para sa last bedroom natin, so kaya naman dito mag-fit kahit single size bed. And as you can see, napaka-spacious pa rin niya. This is a brand new single attached unit na perfect sa mga tao or sa family na naghahanap ng ready for occupancy na mabilis malipatan. Dito sa lanay area natin, as you can see, makikita mo napaka-spacious. Meron tayong service area and kita nyo naman meron tayo ditong water tank na yung capacity is up to 700 liters of water. Included na rin yung ating fence and gate sa total price ng ating unit. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo itong brand new ready for occupancy unit namin dito sa Cavite, message us now!